This video M2, balancing the equation, is just a half step up from what we did yesterday. So you'll notice yesterday we circled the big number, then we used the same or opposite sign. Today, before that, we're going to box both sides though, because this equal sign really means I have the same on both sides. So it's like balancing on a balance. So I don't know what this number is yet, so I can't tell you what that's going to be. But over here, 30 minus 10 is 20. And if this box is 20, then this box also has to be 20. So now I'm looking at 14 plus something equals 20. The big number is 20, so I'm either going to use 20 minus 14 or 20 plus 14. If 20 is my big number, I want to use 20 minus 14, and I'm going to end up with a 6. So 14 plus 6 equals 20. Let's come down to the next one. Box both sides. 6 times 5 is 30, so this side also is equal 30. So we got something plus 25 equals 30. But when I add, I always end up with the big number. So I know I need something less than 30. So 30 minus 25 gets me a 5. So 5 plus 25 equals 30, and 6 times 5 equals 30. Box both sides. 22 times 2 is 44. So this is 44. 60 minus something equals 44. The big number this time is 60, because when I subtract, I start with the big number. So I need something less than 60, so instead of adding, I'm going to be subtracting. Do a little bit of borrowing. And I end up with 16. Check it to see if it makes sense. 60 minus 16, does that equal 44? Yes, it does. Box both sides again. 5 plus 14 is 19. So this side has to be equal to 19. Something minus 33 equals 19. When I subtract, I always start with the biggest number. So to get something that's bigger than 33 or 19, I'm going to have to add them together. And if I do that, I end up with 52. Check it to see if it makes sense. 52 minus 33 equals 19. Yep. Try something that have some multiplying in them. I did the exact same thing. I'm boxing both sides. So now I have 8 times something equals 32. Well, if you know your 8s, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 equals 32. Try this one now. Box both sides. 60 plus 12 is 72. So this side is also 72. Something times 9 equals 72. So I start doing my 9s. 5 times 9 is 45. It's bigger than that. 10 times 9 would be 90, so it's less than that. 6 times 9, 54. 7 times 9, 63. 8 times 9, 72. Oh, we got some division ones. Let's see how those work. Box both sides. 3 plus 3 is 6, so this side's just going to be 6. 42 divided by something equals 6. So that means 42 is going to be my biggest number, so I can't do 42 times 6, so I must be doing 42 divided by 6. If you don't remember what it is, start working it out. Let's try 5. 5 times 6 is 30. I got 12 left. How many 6s in 12? 2 of them, which would make 5 plus 2, 7. 42 divided by 7. Try this last one down here. We got 30 on that side, and 30 on this side. I'm going over here where I got a little more room. Something divided by 6 equals 30. When I divide, I start with the big number. So how can I use this to get the big number? 30 divided by 6 or 30 times 6? 30 times 6. 30 times 6, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 3 is 18, 180. Let's see if it makes sense in here. 180 divided by 6 would equal 30. Yeah, because if I append my zeros, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Try one more set for you. Box both sides. So we got a 5 here and a 5 here. 20 divided by something equals 5. So I can either do 20 times 5 or 20 divided by 5. Well, it's not going to make sense to do 20 times 5 because that would make it bigger than 20. So how many 5s in 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. That would be 4 of them. So this is 20 divided by 4. Come down here, try this one out. 82 minus 30 is 52. So this side has to be 52. Something plus 47 equals 52. Of these, my biggest number is always going to be my sum when I'm adding. So I want to use I need something less than 52. I can't do 52 plus 47, so it must be 52 minus 47. Do my borrowing, and it's just 5. 5 plus 47 equals 52. So same strategy as yesterday, just box both sides, and then either use the sign or